Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to automate social media posts with OpenClaw. So I've been using Post-its for a long time right now, and it's a post OpenClaw agent, and it helps you posts on 30 plus social media, as you can see. And the dashboard looks like this. It's really simple, it's really easy to manipulate and everything. And this is OpenClaw, and you can do UGC and everything. And the best thing about this social media scheduler, it has the agent. It's like your OpenClaw, it's like your Telegram and OpenClaw. So if you highlight the social media, for example, and insert media and tell it to post it in that time, like I did here. Look at this example. So I give it my X account and I give it the caption and the image and the date, and after 2 messages it's successfully scheduled on my X account. And the good thing about this social media management tool is you can have all of your social media platforms in one place to see the analytics. For example, I have all of the analytics in one place. I don't have to go to that social media, open analytics. I do everything in one place, as you can see here. It's just one place. Post is one place. I will manage everything. And there is a link in the description. I will get a cut if you sign up with that link. I would love to help me in this journey. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.